Yeah, have you been struggling to make money online? Have you tried several methods by which you can make money online from home? Or maybe you've bought several courses online and they have not given you the result you want. Here is the good news for you. You watching this video is a 50% assurance that you are going to make money online. While following the steps I'm going to be showing you in this video is the second 50% of getting paid online. So once again, I go by the name Skywet. Follow my videos, follow my steps to see how I'm making thousands of dollars weekly, and you can make the same even as a beginner from home. Watch my video.
Good day everyone, I go by the name Skywet. If you can see this video, like this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos on how to make money online. Yes, making money from home is what everybody wants now, and that is what we can consider as the trending or the desire of everyone, because working 9 to 7 or 9 to 5 every day has been beat down with working from home. Yes, because working from home you can make thousands of dollars, even more than those that work in office. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how I'm making thousands of dollars weekly from home, and you can also do the same even as a beginner. As a beginner, I mean someone that not have any idea of affiliate marketing or how it works. Yes, because in this video I'm going to be showing you the secret behind these great results that you can see on the screen. Yes, this is the account of one of my students that got my software and video course, Max, and is doing fine already. As you can see on the screen, these are excellent results. So let me take you back to what affiliate marketing is. Affiliate marketing is just selling a product for a company and getting commission for each product to sell, and there are different platforms by which you can do this. I mean different affiliate marketing platforms. We have ClickBank, JVZoo, Warrior Plus, and many others. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can make thousands of dollars weekly on ClickBank affiliate marketing. Yes, and there are things to consider, or there are important backbone which a successful affiliate marketer always consider or always work with, and one of it is that your traffic system must be strong. Yes, traffic, I mean people that are going to be accessing your affiliate platforms and are going to be buying your product. Yes, these are the leads which are going to be buying or purchasing your product on your affiliate marketing platform. So in this video I'm going to be showing you the secret behind these excellent results. As an affiliate marketer, I am also a software developer, and over the years, due to my issues or problem in affiliate marketing and difficulty in getting sales and commission, I have developed several softwares which I have used over the years to generate traffic to my affiliate marketing platform. And over the time, due to my several trial and error method and the software which I've come up with, I have this software that has been giving me excellent results. I don't know if you can see on the screen, and the one that has been giving me results in my past videos also. If you check my previous videos, you see that I've been displaying the accounts of my students which have been training over the time. So my software work by gathering more than 2,000 organic traffic daily on digital platforms and promoting your affiliate product to these targeted organic traffics for you to get commission. Yes, and this has a 100% guarantee of you getting the same result you can see on the screen. Yes, because with my software you are going to be having sales every day. Yes, daily sales. Yes, and also my software is a free traffic system, which means you don't need to pay for the traffics which are going to be generated. Yes, because in affiliate marketing you have two types of traffic system. You have the free traffic system and the paid traffic system. Yes, the free traffic, let me start with the paid traffic system. The paid traffic system work by paying paying digital platforms like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, or any digital platform to create adverts for your products. For instance, if you are scrolling down Facebook or Instagram, even YouTube, you want to watch some videos, adverts pop up. Those adverts are paid for, so those are paid traffic system. So my software is a free traffic system, which means you don't need to pay any platform. You just need to use the software, and I've recorded the complete video course which will guide you step by step on how to use the software on any affiliate marketing platform, which means my software is not only applicable to ClickBank alone, but you can use this on other affiliate marketing platforms like JVZoo, Warrior Plus, and any affiliate marketing platform, even on Shopify or any store. So To get my software and video course and start any big on any of your affiliate marketing platform, you can always contact me on my Gmail at skyway271@gmail.com or text me on Telegram through this number you can see on the screen. Text me on my Gmail at skyway271@gmail.com or text me on Telegram through this number you can see on the screen now to get my software and video course and start any from home, even as a beginner that knows nothing about affiliate marketing or about my software. So once again, I go by the name Skyway. Contact me now to know more about the software and to get the software to get started. Also, my video course is self-explanatory to take you step by step, and I will also guide you if you need me to guide you. Yes, I'm always accessible to my students. My students know that I'm going to guide you. Also, there are countries that have restriction on opening ClickBank. If you are going to be my student, I'm going to get my software video course, I'm going to create a ClickBank account for you. Yes, not minding the restriction, I'm going to create an account for you. So always